Carrot halwa recipe. 2 cups grated carrots, 2 cups full-fat milk, 1/2 cup sugar, adjust to taste, 1/4 cup ghee clarified butter, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. 1. Heat ghee in a pan, add grated carrots, and sauté on medium heat until they are cooked and turn aromatic. 2. Add milk to the carrots and simmer on low heat, stirring occasionally until the milk is absorbed and the mixture thickens. 3. Add sugar and continue to cook, stirring frequently, until the mixture thickens further and starts leaving the sides of the pan. 4. Add cardamom powder and chopped nuts. Mix well and cook for a few more minutes. 5. Once the halwa reaches a desired consistency and the ghee starts to separate, turn off the heat. 6. Garnish with more nuts if desired. Your homemade carrot halwa is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.